Good morning, students. Myself, Sri S. N. Wangikar, welcomes to the Mohekar Mahavidyalaya Chemistry Department HOD to this BSc third year students after COVID-19 situations. The world faces the most dangerous COVID-19 crisis till date. So all the areas, industry, economy, social, educational reforms are unexpectedly changed. Due to this, there is no interaction between anybody, and therefore all we are in very suspicious manner. Nowadays, the COVID-19 situation is decreasing, but till last 4 or 5 days it is again going to increase. So we cannot control this one properly. As per the policies of the government, the one by one sector has been opened by the central as well as the state government. But till the education institutions were closed because it is a mass communication between the students and the society. From this college, many of the students are traveling from village area, and the today's report is there is increased number of COVID-19 patients. So in Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad region, now we are very in a red zone situation. But most of the students which are away from the education, so in that mind, the nervousness, the implementary complex will be created. So to minimize this one, the state government, the university and our college and the Department of Chemistry has started from yesterday the online classes, online guidance, question answers, some suggestions about the chemistry and other subjects also, and their general knowledge. Now I am talking about only the department of the chemistry. The chemistry department is, for this semester, the BSc third year students will have the organic and physical papers, and for the next semester they will have the inorganic and organic papers. But the correct guidelines by the university is not till we are getting the actual dates of the academic education calendar year. Whether we are going to face the semester pattern or the annual pattern, we are unknown about this one. But as far as the guidance of our head of the institution, the Department of Chemistry and other all departments have trying to contact each and every student of the science faculty. I will come to the syllabus later on. Before that one very important announcement is that those who are not appeared for the examination, that is for the BSc third year students, now they are going to face the examination. This examination is MCQ type, and the second one is that you should choose the nearest examination center. Means what? If you are away from the column, you choose the nearest 5 to 10 kilometers, the center which is easy to walk for that center. You should appear for that examination, and suppose unfortunately you are not going to appear for that examination, you should try also for next time and for the offline examination. Okay, so every student which are now going for the examination will prepare for the multiple choice questions. Then they should contact the college immediately for their individual information. That is very urgent notification for the third year students who are going to appear for the examination. Okay, so we'll take break for 2 minutes and I will back for again for the running stream of the BSc third year students. Okay.